Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Dropbox to share files securely and easily with others. File sharing is a daily requirement for students, professionals, freelancers, and teams, and Dropbox is one of the most trusted platforms for fast and reliable free sharing. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to upload files to Dropbox, generate shareable links, manage access permissions, and collaborate with others in real time. You will also learn how to organize your folders, track files activity, and ensure your files remain safe and accessible from any device. So right now we are at the website of the Dropbox. I have also provided our affiliate link into the description of this video. You can just simply click on that link and you will reach to this website. Okay, so once you reach to this website, you have to click on this try box for free. So I will show you how you can get their free package as well. As you can see, there are multiple packages which for which you have to pay, but in this video we are going to discuss with the about the free basic package in which you will get 2 GB free to store and share your files. So I will just click on this get basic and then we will register an account on the Dropbox. So here you can continue with your Apple account as well as Google account. So right now I'm going to continue with Google account. So here I will select my Gmail account and it will fetch all of my basic information like first name, last name, and email address, and then we will give it access to our account. So here I will select continue. So that's how our account will be successfully created at Dropbox, and now it will take us to the dashboard. So make sure to click agree and sign up here. So here we will just select for personal use. Okay, and then you can also download their desktop app, as well as you can also install it on mobile by scanning this QR code, or you can also download it from the Play Store. So for now I'm just going to skip this step. So here I will show you how you can upload your files and share them with your friends. So make sure to join our Dropbox with the affiliate link that we have already provided into the description. Okay, so finally we are at the dashboard, and as you can see that you can upload your files here just by clicking on this new button, or you can just simply click on this upload button and you can here upload your file or folder. Let's suppose I want to upload my file, so just select the file. Let's suppose I want to upload this file. So it has started uploading, as you can see on the right side. So here you can see that the file has been uploaded, and you can also copy the link and you can share it with your team member or your friends. So that's how basically you can use and access this Dropbox for sharing files. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.